विवेक ओबराय మనతో ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ వివేక్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
जाते जाते कुछ बचा ही नहीं, सब बाइट लेके खा गया.
Feeling to be
Well, it's you again. It's you again.
Hi sir, how are you feeling to be in Hyderabad for this event?
It's amazing. I love Hyderabad. I love being here. I was born in this city, so it is a very special city for me. And the Utsavam is a fantastic celebration. I can hear the madness, the screaming, the excitement, the hysteria inside. So I can't wait to go in there and be a part of it.
We're still not able to forget that Rakta Charitra, so can I expect next movie in Telugu?
Thank you. No, I really am thankful for all my Telugu fans who've watched Rakta Charitra and praised it so much and given me so much love. And definitely, I think when the time is right and the script is perfect, I'll come back to do one more Telugu film.
You are very close to your heart in Telugu industry.
So many people, there's so many friends I have here, so many friends my father has here. But when I come here, generally among all the actors, directors, among the young generation, of course, there's Pawan Anna, there's Mahesh and Namrata, there's Cherry and Upsi. Upasna and Cherry are really, really wonderful hosts. And of course, above them all is Chiranjeevi Garu, who's just the ultimate. He's the mega star, and he's the mega star with the mega heart. I remember once I went to his house and he offered himself to make me something to eat. And he cooks really, really well. By the way, I don't know if people know this secret, but he cooks very, very well. So I thought that a man with such great popularity and success can be so humble. And I remember I told him that you have to come to bless me at my wedding. And he flew to Bangalore to come and just bless me at my wedding. So these are things that touch your heart, you know.
Then finally, what do you like more in Hyderabad?
What do I like more in Hyderabad? Biryani.
Biryani. Thank you, Vivek.